nti enu anu omugu so omubi say na hia omu say womu hunti anopay ye bebisa say $655 million oyusika ewing. And then the insight say chop uncovered send Ghana alarm that government inaction in loss of millions to school feeding program. It says Auditor General in the report by says school feeding also yenya nsamandin wum. Nsamandin ye say nkrofo a wonum nye caterers ya dan wonum caterers. Womo mo nu aduane womo se omanoa womo maye nkwan yuro bi nkwan ahwehwe nkwan foni abomu bone ama nkwadaye di si wo maye aduane mpampa omo si ama omo fruits ama omo vegetables si oben ni nyina na omo agi ho sika send Ghana se na nko wo hwese report ba ye no aban be ye ho bibi nanso no lie nti won ti asese aban aye din a onye hwe e wo ho nti hwese aban enkenya ne ho wo yin nsem ano pay ye kasa afa ho abedwafo a waje pini a wode wadaje ni bi afem ye benada yi eye Honorable Joseph Yami, former Ashanti Regional Secretary and the former Deputy Minister Ashanti Region and Youth and Sports se portfolio na sesa na daroma obema mi update Mira masanti broni akwaba
yeah
boko de
yeah me daroma
any change in portfolio
there be
nti de mikaye na ye
na onye mfumso bi
me da se na Honorable Dr. Henry Kobna Kokofu so ye former MP Bantama washe kwan say afi so o listen butuo yes doc
aba
boko
adom
emreda ne eni amakru
yeah omo hwe
me on
so much ya
meje omo so da kure wo se ye kwa afu mo ne ekodi fresh fruits enko a se fie boko de
oh ya sorry de aseda de be ma twede ampon ya dana sese yakosukuta ya ho ni mpo yamfum so ne ha nyina echi nra na yanti asempa bantama ye mabawa ne baako sister Akua ofri munti nra na ye 1 week na ese kan bia so me o ntimi nti onuanom coordinator koja champon ya poku na adwa na yaboa na ebusuan nyina mo yakọ mpenifo so yade chairman Kinsleyata first vice chairman
okay
the party no anymore ekujao kama
okay
ya rahusem wajam manketwa wo achire achese yebekoso
amane dem fedwi na ya ma ebusuan so shedding na mpanisa mekobi na manka bi de mufra santemantemu bai de me enko daily guide page 3 na posifo se nipa bi wonom a wo mo ye of interest enti wo hwehwe wonom den na efa sampon hene emfiri mu no ehom Sadat Muhammad bi a wanya mfie aduasan wotwe ai tai fenise Alhaji anase Malam wo ware o hima bi ewo Kumase posifo na ekasai hwehwemu echese wonim nana kwadwo afodo ni mfirimu no ehu bi enti posi hwehwe wo mo papa wozu se Sadat Muhammad no Alhaji Anamalam ye taife no wozu se wakohye Benin nana se Mali ho baby efise ho na owo links ewo asemo me broni asemo ye nka ne se
well me da se bebre me yenchia ye ya hwefo anopai titu sentimentem NDC for omo ehwe na me fa akonya we so na me mbo primaries especially was Ashanti region yeah 7 out of the 47 and out of the 7 not 3 na contest
okay
the others no on the post me aminua akosi edu say former MP for Tepa nyame adom ko no post to represent party no na osa recapture seat no back to the NDC because it's clear signal say
Tepa ya for no ha
north
okay
Tepa minor who say ensesan mienu o moye MP and Nana Danko Akufo-Addo no amwa Tepa mine nti omo to nsa friend say wombra na omo pese they want to undo the wrong year in 2016 but me bo honorable Bawa Adwira abaso nya me kohwe election bi wa Adwira na me bo honorable Adomako so abaso for Drobonso ne obi bia contest ye na o win ne de want me anya den an win na issue ya by somewhere and Ukraine free sentiment in what is happening there ohini
yeah
because we be able to tumfo ne mfa konya we so ne enchia asante hene tumfo ositutu na I mean young man yako or the scene because Nipano is not only ohine or suma santimai but related to otekokoso nti ye kese wo fie ho no man kasa ne santimai na megidi se yes e behu omo a omudi sa bonefosema etisa mostly no aya na nye I just say obi a film near a postmortem abusuafo may not be happy with say we are papa or modishie but doctors will argue from the point say you know the cause of it so that a bit me prevent the bit me see nya etiasem ntinye police for chi nipa na edi sa abonfosem no nko na ye interest
say omunya suspects no
the reason why intia omode den omode sad you know for all you know enye nipa ba akopena omo target no so the others no omo wa bontin will have to be protected in any way nti yebe sre police force say they should intensify na enkoyenim mostly na de nipa bi kan say if it happens to be within the police force I don't say ahokeka no wosoro ampa police ni bia e bi di bonfosem bia tia ni bia no enche na police for na unravel the mystery behind it nti ye besre omo say omo putu in ahoden a omo de ye when it comes to their
omo de no
because menshi asem ni ye den na kanti COP duku the Ashanti Regional Police Commander yebebo na baso so far baby aye yakwa kodru because picking the suspect itself is another difficult task. Investigations and start free ho. So when to me am pick who the possible suspect is, you may not get to find out the real
in this case on which me identify one key suspect so because say omo has said ye na
it's a step applauded and your best room see uncle nusa but Diana baby so serious sometimes we end up picking suspects they may end up not having any links within the crime itself and they're very dangerous you know police for you who appeal that when people comes with these informations to them omo ebeye adwuma bi akọ animu ansana they may declare some of these things the reason here
but omo declare and you final that's why you say suspect
but suspect in there when you abema the honorable former MP our lawyer and no akakakra ma wa lawyer o law unyanye ya ya no beka ho no beka ho you understand the whole kind better than me say yes a suspected person who the unim say yanka say one na ye den o ye but the whole here no onye lawyer the layman understanding is that ya both chama kukufudin and yes one na ye and mostly kura na do baby a police for ni wie na onka ho no they don't come to tell us that nipa na e suspect no yes I dissuspect no ama nipa den ati and I'm using me fakonya we so na makasa asem because I've been a victim of this, and so many people are a victim of asem ken.
Okay.
Obakai issue here we interview me wo high in connection with in some way see party officer, NDC party officer will be a free more. Police for granting me bail. You were the first person I spoke to.
Okay.
Anopano. I have no links to what happened there.
Okay.
But they be me baby free school baby piano. Or baby catch them say ne papa kumubi. As at now, police for investigations on my proves that I was nowhere near the crime scene. Men who I have nothing to do with it.
Okay.
But the police are here to come and tell the whole world. Nipana ye kofa no a man for gia tumu say ono na ye and I say obi. I'm talking with many Yamwa Ponko.
Yeah.
It's still silent. And that tag is still there. Hanging around
but Kafrao, and you be a police for your investigation.
We investigations cry as at now. I'm saying that if the police had signal no say Yamine do or mobile, if they had done a little bit of further investigations, a be anka to sakra and framing in the first place because they will know that it's not found.
Okay.
But in our attempt to want to get to the truth of the matter, no, Russia sometimes it ends up creating more problems than because police is now telling us that Ohimai Kuni or Shebeni or something.
Mali.
So you have picked a signal to that level. You are going in there to go and pick Ipano. It's now out. We hope that the police has this vital information. When they pick Ipano, now I'm part of connection with Medanoa, then it is good for us. But
okay, my NCCA police say he has links in Mali and Benin. But as of now, no need concrete official information or Benin ho and Mali ho. Only that on any area they can't also find them around.
Sometimes I will reason here you can't find them. The last time it's here Honorable candidate Japan in connection with Ahmed Suari Niwu. Now man for he was angry, no kasa. Man for say wakasa no. The man is being linked to a murder. And you should understand why he will be so mad in Anopano. I can't do it because Obiawu, Abusiafo, Yao Ghana Nina, then Obianye any further and better investigations be straight ahead. No big, say Asumesi. You have put in that person in danger. Oh, and Nipano Okono is not free to even move around. We've gone up. Finding out that Sadina a boy, it has no links to it. I'm bringing it back to me myself. Just recently,
because at the time no crowd were too quiet.
But about the India will be wide and area as well. In my case, for instance, the chairman for Aswasi constituency and one executive member of Aswasi constituency. Omuko police call a statement at the police say. I was at the party office in Assassin. Today I'm on radio saying that I have nothing to do and I'm in Benho. Today. And we have even petitioned the police CID.
Okay.
So then it means that these people have and they are now speaking on radio saying we'll be from the day or buy. And the police have done nothing. They have not invited these people, and they are sitting down. So, the same way, yes, say, a idea is so serious. The police should let us know the real truth, and in their attempt to get us to know the truth of the matter, should also factor in, say, certain informations be a better in connection. Before we put it out there because we may be endangering innocent people as well.
Thank you. Doc, you ever can say?
I would dear. And this is who about the phone, idea, hard. Your so many murder cases are intimate who about the phone.
Okay.
Quickly now, what I Honorable JB do, and nipa bi gina court be seen who say a court eba. Na no hini di ababeto so.
Yeah.
E wo kuma se. I was saying papa. Police abo homode ayebi. Onso onsa ka nipa ni bi. Na omusu say prime suspect no. Oni o mai. Kwa bia wo madaroma ye be fa so a nsa be kana ye de no ebeba. Na asotwi bia ye bi di na asem. Se ko ba se ampa ono na waye oni afofra ya na asotwi bia obi a mremu no na ye do afa so. Me kan sa na esese ye ti ase so hu se as ankrankre ye bambo esese hu hia ye papa edwumadie nipa enu di nkuta ho edwumayem ene sa ne mani nyina esese ye bomodin se bibia no ye bema ye ni ada ho.
Okay.
Se bonefo ne de we dey a obona adwen poso obi di bone no obedi na ba ne sa na yentimi anya traces bi a ebema clue any information ama police ya follow a ha adwen se mene ya meti he ne bia wa frame me kwamna sia me wo bia Ministry of Agric so me kwa se me ka kire ya ayi ewura ya me na frame me ontimi sia no Ministry of Agric.
Okay.
So be me nko ade so na se ochine bi no bibi
Yen fa ye hu nyija.
Yes.
Okay.
In many cases obadu okunukura te okra ba akoma ni muso a onimia ne ofoforo ne ko oni oba wo ho obunia wadamfo omani muso a na he na awo so mebisia madamfo bi wa ha.
Okay.
In any case na bibi happen na ebedi say police betimi a trace.
Okay.
Na yentia say police 77 prediasa omunya magicians.
Okay.
Na omayi nkonya a kire enema etimi be bone asi no betimi ade akire.
Okay.
Ye kan say police for na mu de tu mu bia ntempa no omutimi eyo no ho no cresa enti say police for special idea omutimi ye boama ye ravel sa nema na mo limit no tu omo nko a ye nyina so ye deserve. Yes ye nyina deserve if you say emra no hye won say esese omubo ye nyina ye ho ban nananom eyemfo mesre say sabri aba ni sei madama nipa munu ntu anamon ene adedi nkuta ho titiru nsaseton ne ade no esese no so mu hweye ya hweye wo ho enye nipa nyina na de adwempa nam obi ho a na sika ne ajapade adi ni tirimu dem nti omfa ho se do de ye ni nua you go ahead and do all that. I mean fa kakranka era ya mi na semi ho we are senior men nyina ya na ntwato so ya papa sa asebeba na anim ho hwe na ebia hwehwemu ana bibi na udina kopie ma na se yakopre bibi ato so sometimes bedru baby no obeyi ho anu kra be wie no na din seye bia na say
okay
afin so kra wa namuntu kra so na aye you put you at risk nti ye besre police ni won wa aye hwehwemu no se ntempa na bedadwa sa asem a ye kafa onua ehu ntesa onya kukuduro omumra bonten openly na yenso eti omam no yenso enya kukuduro enka se kofi manu yeti sesese na efa ho ntesa ye makose if se ye hwehwem na mra ni di na esese oni amra nde ne ko ba se ye hwehwem na ntesa no anya adenti na yentimi empe kwan a ye de ba wohuru oni ano ho it is happening all around.
Ebi a china nkon ye beba beka so me phone no boya me bro for ye dis aspect o onye suspect bi wan say ne So we go many machines compensate me. Ten years penyentia. Me ne meka she.
Running away from the compensation.
I'm just thinking. It's a very compensations, baby, because so much money. So anything now you see the word suspect, doctor. The OTI say, honorable immigrants, no OTI say, but better my more. So now you see the word suspect. Say once you are a suspect, you are a suspect. And she say, Bibi o come home. Yesusu say, ubetumi aka ho. Ebiso na won ka ho. Ti wo de boy we hwehwe mu ti say ewie na bibi ani ho a say kwai asem bi ani ho de he na esi amudi appeal ba na say omunsa me disrespect amanfo.
Unfortunately,
yes doctor,
your society no enye any anti-ase na simple sa.
Okay,
de your suspect enya so mu abo dinani ade na no ano ofoforo de nam ati asema aba no ati nti you put two different interpretations. And until na endure the reputation of others. Says ansem neba ketashi ne proye ne nyema hudu bebrebe nya wudi enko. Yes, I agree. You hold you as a suspect. Na ya babo ntebe kase o there be we are exonerated one ka ho a. Bit me demanded for damages. Emrakwa bi da baby. But
compensation
but the truth in say the way I be handle Nipan.
Okay.
The way issues no be handle on the normal surface. The police to suffer say be boy wo hwehwe mu bi ni ade. Na ankoye de wubo bibi bibribi. Na wako nipa bebre wo ha wo ko police ko boa wo hwehwe mu. On the quiet. It is a hwehwe no I could do sampa wo mu ka ho ana police betimi anyanyina so abo no ko adua. Then quickly they do an arrest.
Okay.
Now omu are taking on. But say hwemu no koso na nyade a ne ho bon mu bia ne ja no quietly no kwa ne baby.
Okay.
Also akwotena say nipa no say ne reputation that much. Now where e beba media landscape radio so ne akane ha nipa bia manitua omu de onyate ya ne waye kwa bia so and the court of public opinion. Okay. So, court of competent jurisdiction, the legal court, but court of public opinion, among media for the media, Nimu handling. One way a complainant, what's a witness, not why a judge, not for a
okay.
Until a baby should be in an
answer. Me cross why a prosecutor. Oh, media don't suffer.
All in all. So, it's in our own interest. Say, ye pay dear nimuno yam fanto of a frosso. You womb a balance our crana, Emma, the real suspects in form hoodie. To the beer, the real criminals, no.
Okay.
On for hoodie.
Okay.
Because ultimately with Tracy CB, now automatically a suspect will be.
Okay.
See, a bayer no na, you be son sense, no, baby or pack or not, or dada. So, semi I can matisse a drama in a babonting, and the other two just say, Simbia, a cafan who fast idea.
Oh, Massino, no.
Nana,
very mouse every day. Canaka home.
Sabrian Crana was say you acquire or to quite on it, or London. But what issue a press release to that effect? Now, Maria Homano. So, and
Penny was him so.
Tisani way in ano. Na mama yen nyakuko drum volunteer information. And so police you kobo mama near and not in all cases.
Okay.
And not in police for your two mofo now saying manage information well.
Okay.
Omunya informant sa keke baby. Na enia wakwa kobo police ya mania wie no na akotena baby. Na no akotoko hye bo se ote ayi hide high na say ayi ho blue banana. Oh, we ne club mienu bia na odi.
Unim krombo.
Oh, we ne club mienu bia na odi ye. Odi dwane nu na me na me
want.
Me na me ye chiri asem. Me na me ye we. Na ayi mangu da aje awu. Aje ama.
Unim kromo.
Na ya na o me. Ya wutu
kroma. Bante ma kwa bna kokofue.
Ya wutu kroma abehunu krom.
Papa.
Men kasa ho. Ayi obi a wawie primaries kwasiada.
Okay.
Nradwo na osikuru yi. na buza say na de na pam Kumasi
o de bi obeka ho asem
we primaries dwojo ho na ye
man ko primaries
but at least we
the
former leader cry who interest to
do ye double track primaries no the first track there no we wie nkwasi adanti second track there no ana
okay Saturday mo so mo be ye mo de mo be often constituencies and sana later why certain ones and also ye de
oh ye de ye gidie
no ye shift
ntie ye gidie ni say yai say onipa utu anamon wo be mrebim na ukushia challenge odwen outside the box innovation Oma de omi very very good because omu transi hu say kasi ye kan nyina bom ne ya na prekopa wanya na e de ha aba
2% ne krakra ne say
ne krakra ne say nye de biara da na obi benya adwen fufuro bi beba
obeso ka free SHS no no obeso ka ba wo break to say
oh wow
mama yan ka Rosewood
Christ was you waka
oh that's your telepathist what well kuna jena kapa momeka Rosewood kakra na na Daily Graphic back page ha na wodi abase sesi yate nipa enson 7-member committee esanisa EIA Environmental Investigation Agency wonum hwehwemu ombeye bamboozled ya bra na so ye nkiyamra kra de ankeye ye bra ye no kra ne ye de fam enye Helen ho anko na etwe amanfo twenko papa ama ene committee na wate the Deputy Minister Lands and Natural Resources Yewura Benito Usubio eno beye wo mo che man na ye say 5 weeks na omo de omo report no aba said ye be ya ye be hu baby aye de befa obi ni nasem I don't know how to put the question but answer bibi be fimu aba that's all I can ask. Honorable Doctor and so bibi be free sa investigation yi mu aba
you bibi be free mu aba if you say sector minister Mame Manachi
okay
onem penin to sa na mo na won wo de ohwehwe
okay
so ade hu as to near report na e babonten no se sa na tiana etisa kwan be na ye be fa so a ye be so anu
okay
so entisa so a ehifa na efi na ewo a whole lot of history. Say utie omayina a quote about 12 million trees of rosewood. Me sure say we a head count. Oh Ghana your forest cover. Baby your forest near winyina. Ubenya nria makomako 12 million. I mean rosewood
does that mean that EI for no ha omani dodo?
Extremely so. Extremely so.
Is it that yen cry nim because say Ghana bad data and sema ye bit handicap or is it that ye nim po say mpo ebi aye wo rosu ni bi or baby and answer ye data no nye enough to ebetche and say ye wo this quantity.
Yeah, well let nam de oba hoy. Okay. Rosewood dua a thrive war they say Savannah regions no. Okay. So dry savanna. Even in the transition area, baby, a free tropical forest, eco savanna, no. Ufa the belt.
Can tree, free quiet mutu, quiet sereso, one shada, yes, sereso, quiet necessary fini hono. Sa,
a girana michri, ufa a girawa, befata chima, ukrum ho, qua cofa, inamesianum ho, okay. Sab, a yininano, a yadantemo. Okay. So, hey. Rosewood ni bi ho kakra. San wako esro kakra na obehu rosewood. Rosewood no indigenous species. Dua ono ankasa boade abobre na efifi de bae. Na enim ne bobre bidie ana na ye de traditionally. Okay. Mema ti sese ya kuma se ya yetwa na de atoto timbaka ho. Na omu lodu odum ne wawa na no na ne de twefa so a de lodu. Okay. Until said that could be when nipa bi di bi call China ko kire omu hu se valuable na omope.
Ye sign the same wodru. Abe wodru ni fufu wodru no.
Enti ye use ani ye use man no. Na traditionally ukwa mentifedo na akuafo do won year won fu a omu etwa se aduane free afuo so.
Okay.
Omu wo adwen bi superstition adwen bi se aduane si wafuo mu a ema wo ba yire mo yie. Yeah.
Now scientifically so ade bia sake too much energy and say water if you assassin muti na affect other crops e wa assassin so.
Say obeya me akụ school ne.
I say meshi environmentalist dey.
Obese me lecture on that. The truth they say a fast growing tree and here more phosphorus to expand. Enti ne ana a deep root hine no wo form a ho den nti ne hine no twe aduane pa ana aduane nso so de nti e ma ne dua bia be quality a twe aduane pa ko ne mu na atimi afo ye wade bi e friend say yoke twe aduane a baby abene ko no ya de no brown no and no the quality of it ho no a ye fitaa no ye friend sap. Nti dua no be quality no hia nutrient pa atwe aduane. It is a wood dua obayire ana wade wa ase a bayire no ni deep roots and form nti we ani ha. Nti dua no abetwe anuane ni nyina. Nti wafuo no baye no ntimi nya papa. Na traditionally no omu fa no superstitious way.
One says omonia no mu need scientific knowledge no. Usually we be superstition na chi no. Bia na bibi scientific o but omu ntumi my scientific explanation no.
And no your friend indigenous knowledge. Indigenous knowledge. And no na nti no omu ye ne sa nti ne tia omu twa ne se obedo na fu obi twa na omu ahibidie abetoto e de ahibidie. Nti bre akoba se ni afedie ehun wo mfaso kakra no ni ade na beko. Nti nipa free hanom kɔ na wokɔ akuani na twitwa na agu hɔ no na wo akɔ akɔtɔ wotɔ na aboabo ano a na omu de agu container mu na omu the necessary documentation na omaye na the practice had always been say kuani na obi ani hɔ a ofiri baabi kotwa rosewood because rosewood na wo off reserve no a kyerɛ any forest enclave no no eye kuani no na own dua no wo na fuoni nti ono na twa dua na to ho nti otwa to ho a na waton amawo nti ubenya bia papa kuani we bia watwa beedu maami we atwa bia du sana practice no had been really nti se we atwa be se edu nti omboabo ano a na kyerɛ wanya container wope na the mranso a wo ho ne se dua esi obi afuom forestry commission eni hu tumi so be ka kire ne se ma wontwa dua no wona afuom na emom all convey dua no a watwa no e dey free that spot akwa another spot ana forestry commission emra e kire se esese onya conveyance conveyance from one point to another na se oye na adwen se dua no onyusu no ha no be spot a eno na timber industry division trade division TIDD omu so bebem timber industry development division omu so bebem abema export permit abesusu dua no na yehu ekwa na yehu volume of dua a free system no mako na dia build data se ube yusu no ha nso so a they call some and now they call baby beer. I say you capture on that. Enti over the years, sana aye, and then for atotoa. Enti as we speak today, we don't have enough rosewood off reserve no. Anyhow.
Yes, doc. No,
na alarming. And they say say bini off reserve nti. Nkrofo di wan ni akire on reserve. In this case, a game reserves. Bele ne
se kwaye na manfo na yeja na yenkomu no
enom ne ade a yeja moa akese enom ne kwaye moa wo mu no enum na sesei rosewood na kodi a nkrofo etwa na omu etwa omu twa no eye the indigenous nipa ne wo krom ho no community no omu ne bewia won ho anadwo akwa akotwa nua no aboa no de atra kwaye no aba abonten into the babontin tra kwaye na no abeka say me ya we minya no off reserve into papa forestry brada be man paper na mentoma yewura yamin no fanko enti enye no kreda say yewura yamin betimi free kumase ha na ankran ha akwa mentifido na ono akwa kutwa road alodu say odeba besnako no eye community na onim arewusime wom ne say the local authorities district ne municipal authorities Southway ye wo madwuma na onji won toll tia revenue ni adema enti sa road in business ne koso gina na boost the internal generating fund capacity of the various districts no ho musikasem kosoro ebinum say yami akọ krom ho no oso okototo road a community na ototo afri mu no ebi omzu ehia ayi borehole watu bi ama won ebi si ehia toilet enti directly no they are benefiting from the trade.
No kuma mi musa me ko san masemba ko edikan ni se miti wase asua de ante se o kan se obi an hyeda nkoho nkotwetwa nua no efise mi wo obi a okotwa bia na dwumo ye ni so fa container ko ho hyeda kotwa now se obi an ko nkotwetwa eye den na afi community no kura timi sorry se community for na netwa no ma fe forestry for say mo memma yen conveyance eye den no mo san sorry ka se ya mpene mo obi ntwa ye nua nkrofo otwa ye nua na wo mo konsonto asem number 2 we are we say na saying BBC for crack can say dua no ho aye na ekwa atwe aye extent enti omabra asenti a ema ye ban na ye no enti sa then why the ban
mame mraho dedi kai say me si obi ntimi free ha nkonkotwa de ube free ha akwa ne say uko offer say ubeto enti wakona ubeto nti no we induce won ho na mo makotwa abrew. That is the bottom line. Enti na who say obi free akwa akotwa. But the person say with the connivance of the community people. And
yet omutimi san sorry say we you try enua o ye ntia
yeah wuntie community nya one particular person bia have for benefit.
Okay.
Womu aka we no benefit.
Okay.
Enti saade ne emoye nyina ana be environmentally conscious. You want homete through him for no binom ne ade you want homete say ye twakos yese no so hoye prapra until they will come up with all that. So a common thing. Now with the sites we are since shadi or dada. So they certify indigenous endangered species.
Okay.
Trade gradia yedi war endangered species.
I said near my I said when na mwadoma ni nua
na kane no traditionally a sites no a cover only more anankanom sisire wenum ene ade na cover 2017 ya na wiase nyina trans ne ense da bi yemfa plants enka ho.
Okay.
Planta nuaba ne nuanom a eno nso so yehu se ho kwa atwe ne yemfa nka ho ana omu ade rosewood. Enti for 2012 and a rosewood business in a very, very prominent.
Okay.
Enti free sabre ne ebe nyina no na unhia site certificate na dey export.
Okay. No, we see 2007 and 17 na ye ade
2017.
Just 2 years ago.
Yes, just
na tambe na ye ban ne buy.
Good. Ye ban na aba under NDC government. Ban ne ba 2 times or so.
NDC saying 1 or 2.
NDC 2.
Okay.
Ban ne by rosewood ban ne by almost 2 or 3 times.
Okay.
Still ana eko. NPP are buying back 2017 ban. This is about the 3rd time.
Okay.
Ban neba. Na the entire ban neba kra na still trade ne koso ne say. Yewo ban naba obia entwa rosewood obia. Ba kuani na ono no rosewood ni si na asase so na odo na afuo no. Watwa bia na ato ho.
Okay.
Watwa we atwa. Enti a casual look will tell you say rosewood was a big Google form a be about 3,000 pieces.
Okay.
eja ebehye no eja ba ebehye no
okay
yenya commercial value bia
okay
yenya hwimfrim
okay
ebehye at best binum de behye bidie
okay
economic value na be fi bidie ma ban just be just say yes no economical. Then people will come around and say papa authority ministry and our forestry commission rosewood bigu aha bebrebe misusu say eja behye no
okay
ma dwen kire ne say me de mepe mo de mame a mo mame kwan na bensaka metua ho ka bi a mo pese metua na yenya commercial value enti ban na akoso no na yakasa okay ene de egu form na aye saa ni nyina ne yenko savage say yenko save yenko boa no ma obi antwa fresh one bio so enti
yes I need to the biancrofo be she da twa
that is the point
yakasa we are savage
that is the point
mabronimram enti edu sabre na forestry for no be den detect yan we say hey wo boapa one we twa ade yagu na wo pese wo beje conveyance film ho na nkoye say be wi ase ne de afobo so command forestry for so say oh mo so mo ka ho bi because you should have known
me know me that listening to chairman education and me just surprised because in the field
okay
and forestry no but the question now busa and first no was that committee na yat no so we papi bit me free my head
okay
ede aba my answer no normal you see I had to say ye pese ye kire say ye bi wo that alarming issue no and that is why we set up a committee and tesa said the chairman D can no this is not the first time Rosewood ban on it no yet ever
okay
and I span it through government at least within the MPP circles three of them banned Abba. So ministry doesn't need a committee to sit and get to finding out the entire sport is already known. The ACA the implementation of already committed processes are there.
Okay.
Semitier honorable asema woka na che se ya ne de ne wa bontin na obi atimi twa forestry fo ni hu tumi bia no depleted now e bi kra nya den enni ho but the forest no mo no e na amanfo ye den
twan yeah
okay so amanfo owuramu dia then it means that forestry commission Ghana Wildlife Department ebewo picture na ye can ho asem no and say if we want to prevent people from entering a forest no and cut and bring out the simple solution will be to enforce the Ghana Wildlife and the Ghana Forestry Commission workers within these areas because Rosewood here okay oba or be forest here Kumasi I mean who be
okay so what the hoye kwaye mutu ti pay his education e ho ne de enhye den hu
your baby den
ewo
say mangrove is in the water log areas
so say no kra ma ne monitoring ye easier na
easier nti enim say at this area ana Rosewood near den ewo
okay
and those areas na Rosewood no wo ho no omo a omo monitor my year adwuma Ghana Wildlife pen
okay
you go to the forest ubehu omo wo ho emu ba kope ne kura tiabo for I mean that short gun hunting gun
okay
I know the maximum about 2 year 2 I mean double bar no and then the kura Ghana Wildlife worker was a forest no more or which may share jata at any time which may share a wild animal at any time and we cross you know ononkwa na patrol a very large forestry area
okay
enti na ho odin yankasa itself no ewo fom enti oye safe when he negotiates with the people that are entering forest no so mbetwa ade no rather than preventing them. Because omo bano, o prevent you omo kura one way they will deal with you in that forest there. It is the end ye betimi make sure say Kromano will not have access into the forest now. It's supposed to be protected. Near Pencrophone no more than no more.
Maybe committee no betimi yes juma
so that you don't need the committee
in their recommendation.
Because you don't need the committee now to have brought in these things because Ghana Wildlife Department.
But I say BBSC obia make allegation as it were EI for no. Nti say ebe hu said your mo kano ewom ana enim na afei say wo mu a na ye take steps yi bi say dia aka no ye bo ho ban na bem
we tell make we don't need we ye be pay adwuma mankrofobia mo committee sitting allowance ne ade.
No, but these ones are working already. Free you forestry commission ministry of
when
lands.
You go to forestry commissions, they say as me are making resource constraint one problem and ubusa almost say na mo hwesa ban ye den enye maya. That's what they will tell you.
Okay.
Yeah, employing Crawford, all right. Why should we use military to help the Ghana Forestry Commission and sana yetimia patrol the forest? There are people there. Just that they are under-trained, they are under-resourced. And the soldier for no crown or musa swaka crown. Near side the touchy beard and aka omo. So soldiers no more crowd or sourcing forestry workers and we go no to one musa aqua.
Okay.
So if we begin to look into that angle, na ya forest for na ya form bebre. No mo green now mo na mo sometimes abakro mu nkura bi no mo de akọ. Ye resource wo mu year. They will be able to patrol and again drew a stage where we may not need to be recruiting more into the police and the military forces.
Okay.
But rather look at these areas because we should discuss here at the bread.
Okay.
So if we are able to ban the rose rule, say ye who adwuma pa wa hanoma, ye benya a better resource sending the finished product out than say export to the raw at the end there.
Which one is the finished product? Now yeah, export to finished product.
But if you want to look at it, you don't say benya first banning it means that you were a local value for it. And amount for BD call if we don't need it, why would we ban it? Say they travel
extend no account.
A quick one. Or make it the way forward. It's a caucus say. If we ebeboa ascertain certain facts. Here, our convention for international trade in endangered species of wild fauna and flora.
Yeah.
You may have no local need for, but if we are to say a whole year now, just stop since 2017 and the way start. Now the report is saying about 6 million rosewood trees. Just a year. Ghana tree cover in Accra.
Yes, and then some
can suspect in your good mass. This is my money and I can't go my money any mass.
Okay.
And Timuno Baba on Tia Becase, the Amocans and Tessa, ye Shimuno cried the tree cover. Or that area no crowd, it be under do cry, you see, in a senior. That will come. Dio, sir, under a source, William, you need Forestry Commission, Konya War, Ghana Wildlife, and Co. The same thing. Forestry Commission, no, I won't crabata, basically.
All right.
Forest Service Division, Ghana Wildlife Division, and then TIDD.
Okay.
TIDD near the trade aspect.
Okay.
And a wildlife, no, a share quiet and work as no. And a Forestry Service Division, a share quiet in general.
Okay.
Now, no clear woman say, wildlife. Guards never hono. Say, Oko share record, Oko say John office. Ni one ya bo untio ekumo. One ye prepare one on line of duty. Said you can ye be a that me all parliament ye maybe bill be ani ye ho adwuma for forestry commission. Say ye be empower. Na ye be mo akotri near ma aye armed. People were against say you cannot militarize the forestry. But a drew pointer, see a protection ye. Near possess staff no enya kukudro no mtimi yo adwuma here. As a nation, we must think through that.
But Doc, what would be the problem? Say, yeah, military for ya, say, near peacekeeping on Bekwa, or more, now, or mobile backup, no. Honorable Yami Momu Shadam Peneso. But it means to me, we say, what would be wrong?
There's nothing wrong with the presence of military. But Yanni Ankasa Nipanso, do baby, and near sign, na modi soja for Abiguha, and your crew. Yeah, Rosewood upset. You know, you owe me a shimua. A baby daddy. Say export of Rosewood. A
baby daddy.
Yes.
Another committee nito.
Minister of mother.
You have more information.
A baby daddy say.
Okay.
The upset. Qua Rosewood export cost run. Do do free Bui Dam enclave.
Okay.
A Bui Dam no. Na ube be dam no. Nsuo no be buaba. Enti there was a asasitam your forester Rosewood no bebrebe dam no be buafaso nsuo no be buafaso na ye bekọ akonya ne wo voter sese ni bi nua unim se na ye twa nua wo nsuo ase wo voter because ana ekoso accident si ahwe ne ye benya similar thing wo bui enti mpani trans edi marketi ho nyina se ene ye salvage nua na wo ho no
okay
na ye ntwam na se bekọ exporter enko wo muntua ho ka. Now,
then at the time we should have lifted the ban because I'm sure I'm worrying. Say that's why they say ban boozled. Yes, you ban it. Now don't say at a point yes you are lifted because of this and that. And yeah, then the ban ne babaka.
Yes,
because I said the end of moon who's the muye. One among say some ban but
yes, that is it. That is it. You ban it, but now when him nipa bonia say dear you almost smuggle free Ghana Kotogo crano. No, a difficult can't be a chain the can
I see.
What's so abandoned?
Doc, my uncle Bontia Abeja phone so no most on some Facebook comments about any. Desmond Okita Dimak Des also good morning. Yeah, tell your guests that I love their comportment on your show, especially Mr. Henry. Or a doctor of law, so it's Dr. Henry. Yeah, it's only in Ghana that the police, when they are doing investigations, the whole country will hear of it. They are rather creating an atmosphere for the suspects to escape. Antonio Biablade from Efie Kumazungu Takrade on the committee formed to investigate Rosewood smuggling issue. I think Ghana must be leading in setting up committees. All what this government is good at is setting up committee with taxpayers' money, which will not bear any fruit at the end of the committee. Why can't the government find out from the trailer drivers who their paymasters are instead of this committee? Okay. Musa Batsoa, yeah, essentially, anybody knows I'm staunch NDC card bearing member, but I'm not a hypocrite. Honorable Kokofu deserves to go back to Parliament. I'm urging NPP delegates in Bantama constituency on the D-Day, correct your mistake. Choose right person who knows the dynamics of the constituency so as to bring the development at your doorstep. Honorable Kwabena Kokofu is the grassroots man, approachable, competent, and has the ability to deliver. But tell him to minimize the propaganda because 2020 NPP will lose, but he will go to Parliament. What's in the power? That's it. Sandra Usu says, good morning, greetings to you. And some of our leaders are killing us softly. We are not careful. If we are not careful, our future leaders will suffer. Everything will be exported. Okay. I could see obeying a Jesu Bisiasi, yeah? About the NDC's parliamentary primaries. They are not just doing double track in some constituencies. They are not getting people to contest, especially in Ashanti region. The unprecedented development by the NPP government is frightening some of them to come and contest. They don't want to come and waste their monies and resources. And then Empress Bakopena says, the day politicians will stop the blame game and focus on who is supposed to work and jail those who spend our taxpayers' money wrongly, that's when Ghana will move in the right direction. The blame games are just too much. Abba, she's frustrated, I guess. Aqua NS says, you two are doing a great job. God bless. Thanks for that. Kobe Steve. And Bibiani Tano, so he says, hi, UTV. Nanado-led administration is doing better, so Ghanaians must rubbish JDM and NDC propaganda strategies and say big no to NDC because they have nothing good for Ghanaians. And he says, greetings to Obeng Boateng, CEO of Approaches Ghana. Clement Uaba for Chimashi DM, yeah? It's about time politicians understand and appreciate that Ghanaians are now more than ever enlightened and will not just follow or support whatever their parties say or do. Fixed Ekshima Kwangoma and Ekshima Hidiem roads now. Consensus ne be no. Okay, Yemusa Emma Piak say na sika no wo he na Yemusa ma send Ghana say na chop yi aban nye ho hwe. For such questions, ideally me bro ni ma me kwana me musa Honorable Kokofu or the anu ye ni ba na waba. I should have come to you, but ma me musa Honorable Kokofu Piake say $655 million oil sika kese se ko ABFA account mo se mu ko yusu mo anya nyusu a ewen sika no wen e na afei send Ghana so say ye musa aban say enti chop ye ekoso school feeding na Auditor General Ediaba no onye ho hwe ana
Piak, you can't piak sa na say your mama for etia. Dr. Mantiao, me mo achia no pay. Me supervisor at Faculty of Law, Petroleum Law.
Oh, sir.
And also the Mantia, then ne cousin.
I see.
Yeah.
Me so me teacher about oil revenue mo. And I just time cry me friend or be fan wa cheche me mo.
Section 51 of Act I think 851.
Okay.
I established a petroleum revenue management law no. Section 51 na established a PIAC, Public Interest and Accountability Committee. Yeah, one adwuma no an said say omuhwe sika e free fan wo bem sene aban e de ye now there to kan ABFA no simply annual budget funding amount.
Okay.
Nti sika bi e be 70% e kosa
accounting
na 30% na beka no ya chama they say heritage fund ne the other fund the other fund now. Now, as I said, the Ebeko annual budget funding mono, ABFA mono. I say you use near the year human infrastructure. According to PIAC report, no, 2017, Sikani Bikai, Yenusu. 2018, Ebikaya, Yenusu.
Yeah.
Into Mubisa finance minister and finance ministry says Sikano. Also, yade ato treasury account. Oh. The bone of contention here, and it said,
treasury account no document when.
The bone of contention is a PIAC per Omu chairman argue say petroleum revenue near this kind of amount. It is a within a bika, San Fabra, baby at the Mawo. Now I'm to petroleum holding fund.
Yeah.
So another fund.
And
heritage fund.
Genuine concern, Anna.
Well, la
baby, I chichira one ye jine.
Emra, na a chire baby a scan kubiano. And a woody so. And according to Minister of Finance, no omu dimrano so. Say, yeah, the 70% in amount through the ABFA. It is a necra na untimi yusu ya. Na say, wo account adibetwa. Uko wenimuno. Time we hear so yusu no be yusu. Yes, I say one ho or lodge. What I say?
Okay.
It is a waton abuan wo dwan na de kura ni duam. Enye yi. Enunti ye release the amount yen e wa ha this say. It ye treasury account no ebi ka ye de betum bra ye hia se ye de be ye adwuma no
ye kofa well ugd say document that so ma koye ma media to treasury account. This is a document to prove kebe omo problem because chronicle krata and say there is no documentation to prove say empo our treasury account in him adisi ye den krata na be sisen na ye hunti say anu akeke say budget statement mu ye de ano aka ana so say media budget kro na mu ye de ano aka oh ye de akọ treasury na enkratasem no enimu ana enkratasem bi eni ho a enye anu na ye pe akafo ha
yai ka be ba ho
mira
omabusa omusi enkratasem eni ho masa the same report we read it here mam kwan
oh read it
also piak however admitted that the Ministry of Finance had agreed to meet them quarterly to discuss the unspent money brouhaha. So, enti eniamagu akwam a wo nyina te won ho ase se wo ni ministry ne betenase na ba bia sika no won krata da so ne ho ahwan ye unspent money no. So,
yeah.
Enti ada niama ho bre kakra na sa wo mtenase no mtena.
Okay.
Na piak nhunu nsi babia omu weda na weda.
Thank
that
you.
That is my position.
Me da say then chop. And okay, mami komra na say time money I catch chop because I can't some 2 minutes.
No,
watch say sika no. Said the doctor e ka no. E wo ho. Enti piak nto ombo ase. Say Ministry of Finance obehia omo a. Obehia omo na afi wa cheche bibie mo. No cause for worry.
Well, my interest was school feeding. Because
oh, me enjoy you, Zaka.
Oh, in there, say.
Okay. So send Ghana, say.
Send Ghana.
In action.
See, idea is serious. I can't say we are hearing this for the first time. Governance, maybe a friend of suspension. They are clear, say. When Nana didn't have my person or more clear, then they suspend you. Until Omaya suspend you, they end up coming back. Meanwhile, I'm for report we are clear on your day. I'm for Emma.
Now, oh, yeah, sure, says school feeding or mark suspension.
Yes, the CEO for school feeding has been on suspension almost 6 months. So, what
okay, before the report, Auditor General's report.
Yes, about
before or after?
After. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, suspending.
Okay.
Now, he's still, as of now, using official vehicle of the school feeding program. Or whatever allowance was aware then, or GPR. And government is also not telling us how far they've gone with a year or more investigation. That's only thing is talking about our report in 14th December 2018. And a suspended is that ghost names for school feeding. There are schools are young Marian or so
yeah.
Should this take about more than 6 months to want to come to where I said Papa na suspended and also 200 Jumas and I said was I don't know if you so I mean I stand with them. I think that we need to prove further to going to get to the bottom. Because DC cry about I think such a DC we also cry and a copy say this why the schools we are nipping was our double figures and the DC is still at post working. And we don't know where we are getting to.
I thought say before I ever bad this issue, so now you can suspect as no. Okay, say bibia ni a yentu yembo ase.
But the man is
say you go to mampon mika. Ebia baby, e be say ni panel anana ni monyam be kan kodru no.
Yes, the point I can ho asem no is about Auditors General's report.
Okay.
I go through Parliament Public Accounts Committee.
Okay.
And this is not just a suspect.
Okay.
And yet me take Ejina and also I suspended the CEO for school feeding.
School feeding.
Why is the DC chief executive still at post?
But Auditor General reports in FIND BB about so
that is the DC in the say. What are they up? When I boil
non-existent schools.
Yes, non-existent schools. And the figures, you know, so baby who are 20 na ya no be about 40. Man for the do. So they trace it up to the top. But as a idea, cost school feeding. No. We shouldn't waste time on these things.
Okay.
And it's not a suspect. I mean, there are somewhere that I want to say that Auditor General's report, you know, and that is not credible enough to do it. So send Ghana for. I think that they should probe further, and government should, as a matter of agency, very fast. I'm not making say. This is what
send Ghana cannot probe. I'm worried. Say a good project and a good programmer. A beboa. E was school semu titi so mo usually mo nkrase ni ade nti aban enhwe na say wo mo maso e say twomaso na ankoka program na ama na emu chiri kru
e say nti na me je say aban na yourself na nkasa no for Abai to suspend, and me, my example, Upper West Regional Minister was suspended. After 6 months, he said the neighbor
because of school feeding?
No.
Generally.
Yes. Kojo Bajima, and some PA, he is suspended. He actually is still at post. Pious and Ambajide, and who some visa and same by, he is suspended.
But he was
still
clear.
At post. Why we report no? Report a declare no young family. My point is that
I don't want to believe the president.
Oh, so
because the president himself said that
is
committee or Juma Diaba.
John Mahama, they are tagging as Commissioner General. And local Commissioner General, now a commission project to a commission project to a visible. Now those tag and a clearing agent. And examples of if they want to clear you, then they suspend you. Abino immunometer maintain suspension that only under another danko. Immediately they suspend you. Government suspend you be. Yes, in governance, when him say you were the and I reshuffle.
Yet to
suspend you.
I see.
If they suspend you, you suspend you out the hotel buying bungalow. What the whole you saw buying official car. What the whole police protection. And yeah, for 6 months and the person is suspended. Nasa position now. I was will be tina hodi Jumana position so eventually they are going to be cleared. I'm sure if they want to clear them, they should clear him fast now and twice. If they don't, corporates now you find or more at the end should be dealt with.
Thank you. 9:34. See it me pon. Yenina will be making the case here.
Yeah, it me pon.
Okay.
It me pon but school feeding. School oh there be school feeding. School feeding.
Okay.
Adia the papa.
Okay. Sure. Send Ghana Jito.
Yeah, the papa. O mampani kufo adeba o me mabeboa no. Satani raya mi no mo opposition. Mu se enye.
Okay.
Na awofo bi abetumi ato aduane ama ne ba.
President Kufo anfa bibia amba.
O ka se mo ba mo betwem.
So say Danida project.
Mantimi antwem.
But it was his initiative and facilitation.
No. President Kufo never initiated anything of school feeding.
No.
The school feeding program started under Jerry Rawlings administration. I agree, and Ghana was part of the selected countries to be piloted. It only happened under President Kufo. President Kufo didn't initiate.
Honorable Yami.
Don't give credit to him.
We are coming out time, but why you shoot time,
President Kufo the school feeding program Bagana, Moka Senya de Pa. In fact, mo ye advert to be cry man crofo bears, any everything at the Aniama. She said, the moye say health insurance day, and so Baka said. But you see, the truth in this, your name, ye jitum say, a binum and mobo. Binomo bre enti nhihye bia de beto ama mobrowa ne kombe ha no na titiru nyanka ne wisia kunafo no ne ho ben ha no wo asetenam ni abrabom eye MPP aban kwa na initiate sa ne ma
no problem
ubehwe no na dis fo na enti se o how bi ba wa
enti how na
how bi ba wa mesre penifo a Cynthia Morris no honorable me yonko brebo pa ni se ne o na adwuma fa enne watie wo hwewo and the movie as you mutu the correct system no omubeye.
Okay.
One so idea share one son yesremo enye kwa saa Ghana ye mabunu ye ma nkwada ehu dwumadie obeti ba bia se aduane kra ye no ani ye obeti ba bia se ebeba no kra na ashort obeti ba bia se chese kitrafo na omoko yesremo muntimani na munya adwuma no mfa moa na nso nyame ani.
Thank you.
How do you be a sempany here?
Honorable Yami, the kind the answer now will count Etiano pay better one say. Honorable Dr. Henry Kobna Kokofu, former MP Bantama, and Honorable Joseph Yami, former Deputy Minister, Shanti Region, former Deputy Minister, Youth and Sports, and a former General Secretary, NDC, Deputy.
Former Regional Secretary.
Former Regional
Secretary, I said, look at Yatia.
The political circus, only one General Secretary. The Akani regional.
Intime Cabwa, yes, I will be Yamaniano pay.
Manu now compare airtime Kayama me, and a former General former Regional Secretary.
Or some
come. Ose said that me of a no kwa obebana. Tell me offer say o baba be the vice president.
No, I can't.
Oh yeah, can't to say I am a potential general secretary of the NDC and
I know say me offer we are say me offer ka so nko bie ma munya ye no running mate no na oye JM running mate no be device na na fe wakwhye.
Edu baby and so be suit me contest.
Anope ye beda wansi papa se mubaye nyame nhira mo anope me da J essentials so ase for my beautiful hair who said they am ye no soft o tene na tene o de hwe kama intim pacho ko J essentials kona ko je o de fe na onso ya o de apola ife 1024 3639 053 na say se wo fix your nails and now pay massage bi na wo ye wo facials bi person wax your eyebrow and now person fix your lash pacho ya ko studio fix e wo jolo e plaza 2 abon sign na best pension trust no eno amu na studio fix e wo for 020 2966 553 and 024 46719 yeda umase papa me mama vacation Stanley Felix Anas Obaya mama kwa bawai maba akra na mbehu se mkwa ahomacha mba na dwo nti moni be kapa but enche I'll see you. And then Sister Felicia if type from Mama di Mama Tema Community 4 washe o mame Sister Philly ye nkran si na mekan me kra na twionu kafra nyame hye odin na onkitao. And then my beautiful girls Amanda and Portia mo grandma na efimu no mon kafra nyame ya adomwa me ba besra mo medin de ya konama na me hye ensi uye ensi nsanu adwuma yi na so kokodru anwumre nso a eya kai se odi oboafo ne odomfo no na seda bema no na nam so echena so wabiewu na waye Nimroso amao. Bye bye.